In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel data into Power BI Desktop, a powerful tool that allows you to transform your data into rich visuals and interactive reports. Before we dive into the steps, let's set the stage. If you're new to Power BI or just need a refresher, importing data from Excel is one of the foundational tasks you'll need to understand, as it lets you leverage existing spreadsheets to start creating insightful dashboards quickly. To begin, you'll want to open Power BI Desktop on your computer. Once you've launched the application, you'll find yourself at the main interface, ready to start a new project. Now head over to the top of the screen where the ribbon is located. In the ribbon, you'll see several tabs with different functionalities. For our purposes, focus on the Home tab, which is the default tab when you open Power BI. In the Home tab, look for a button that says Get Data. This button is your gateway to importing various types of data sources into Power BI. Click on it and a menu will pop up, offering you a list of different data source options. You'll notice there are numerous types of data you can import, but today we're interested in Excel, so go ahead and select Excel from the list. Now this next step is where you'll locate the Excel file you want to import. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to browse your files. Navigate through your directories to find the specific Excel file you have in mind. Double check to ensure you're selecting the correct file, as any errors here could mean starting over. Once you've found the file, select it and click Open. After selecting the file, Power BI will begin to analyze your Excel workbook, and soon you'll see a navigator window pop up. This window gives you a preview of all the sheets and tables in your Excel file. Take a moment to browse through this list to ensure that it's displaying the correct data. Check the boxes next to the sheets or tables you wish to import. You can select multiple sheets or tables if your project requires it. Once you've made your selections, click the Load button. Power BI will start importing the chosen data into the application. This process might take a few moments, depending on the size of your Excel file. While you wait, remember that properly loading your Excel data is crucial for accurate analysis in your reports. And there you have it. Your Excel data is now loaded into Power BI Desktop, ready for you to start transforming it into visual reports. This fundamental skill of importing data will be your first step in creating dynamic and interactive data visualizations. Thank you for watching, and make sure